I know for a fact that this client received hundreds or even thousands of emails, and the reason why they signed on with me, or the reason why they even agreed to a meeting, is because my first email was Hello everyone, my name is Farah and this is Farah Created, and in today's video I am going to talk about how to get high paying clients as a new entrepreneur. So the first tip on how to get high paying clients is to actually check out your clients or potential clients website in terms of the website traffic. Now you can use websites such as SEMrush, SimilarWeb and Spymetrics to check a website's traffic. By checking the website traffic, you know roughly how many visitors they have on their website, and you can calculate a generic figure for how much they'll be making on a monthly basis. Now for my business, I checked that a website has traffic of roughly 15 to 20,000 on a monthly basis. Reason for that is so that I know that they can pay the retainer for my service fee. This is much better and saves you a lot of hustle in terms of finding the bigger clients and making sure that they will be able to pay you what you deserve. The second way to get high paying clients as a new entrepreneur is to use your website to tell a story. Now, your website is a piece on the internet that tells whoever is interested who you are and what you offer. So make sure it's a good story. For example, make sure that your frequently asked questions has something included such as why they should choose you, what kind of services you offer. Perhaps give them a rough ballpark of the types of clients that you work with or the retainer that you charge. For example, on my website, I have 9 questions that are frequently asked, that have been asked over the years that I've been doing my digital marketing agency, through the sales calls, through conversations and questions that I know people will ask. So I've made sure to add those questions onto the website to allow potential customers to know that I thought of things that might be on their mind or things that might stop them from actually signing on. So at this point, you're really trying to give your new potential customer the confidence that you know what you're talking about. You've already thought about what type of questions they may have on their mind and what might be stopping them from actually getting into a meeting with you. So the third thing is to make sure your cold emails are highly personalized. At this point, you've checked out your clients' traffic and you've optimized your website. So you're now ready to reach out to your potential client. But what I can guarantee you is that these potential clients get the same cold emails on a day-to-day basis. So what you can do to make sure you stand out is to make sure that your emails are highly personalized. Let me spill some secrets about how you can make sure your email gets opened and replied to. If you haven't already used Loom videos for your cold email outreach, I would highly recommend it. It's a tool where you can send out highly personalized emails to your prospect, and your prospect can actually hear what you have to say. They can see that that email is not a one size fits all, and you've actually taken the time to send out that email personalized to them. Now, of course, it takes up a little bit of your time. However, it will pay off. I signed one of my biggest clients using a Loom video. I introduced myself, I told them what I was able to do, I showed them where they were falling short, and I showed them a competitor website and showed them exactly what that competitor was doing. This way I was able to build a rapport with the potential client. I was able to show them what I'm capable of, and I asked for a meeting directly on the Loom video. I know for a fact that this client received hundreds or even thousands of emails asking them to jump into a meeting with them, perhaps do their advertising for them, take over all of their digital marketing. And the reason why they signed on with me, or the reason why they even agreed to a meeting, is because my first email was very personalized and straight to the point. It took a little bit of time to put that email together, took a little bit of time to record that video, but it paid off tenfold. So your potential client has said yes to the meeting, congratulations. But now comes the most important thing, prepare for the meeting. The fact that they have accepted the meeting means that they are looking for something that you offer. No one has time to waste. If they have accepted that meeting, that means you've said something, or you've shown them something that has tickled their interest, and now it's up to you to keep that interest going and to get them into that meeting, to get them to sign on. I can tell from experience, and I can tell from what my clients have told me, that they know within a minute of talking to you whether they're going to take this relationship further or whether this is something that they're not interested in at all. So how can you show that you've prepared? Do some research on the client, perhaps some interviews that they've recently been in, perhaps if they've released a new collection, perhaps talk about what you like about the collection or which item is your favorite, anything that can help you build a rapport with the client and get them to really see you as someone that could help them take their business to the next level. The fifth thing is to only follow up once. Now, I know this may sound extremely controversial, but based on my experience, you hold more power when you only follow up once. Reason for this is if you follow up multiple times, you turn from a business owner into someone that's desperate for their next client, and that can really rub the client off the wrong way. If someone wants your business, they will reach out to you and they will contact you. If that takes a couple of weeks or a couple of days, just know that if they really want to work with you, they will. Following up multiple times after you've had that meeting is an easy way to lose a client, and I would not recommend it. Which is why I say only follow up once, so you don't turn from a business owner to a desperate business owner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you want to see from me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye guys.